Can AWS RDS database patching be done with zero downtime? Imagine running a busy online store or a financial application where even a few seconds of downtime can cause issues. Now, think about how important it is to keep your database secure and up to date without interrupting your service. That's where Amazon Web Services and its database patching options come into play. Today, we're going to explore whether you can patch your Amazon relational database service databases with no downtime at all. First, let's clarify what patching means. It involves applying updates to fix bugs, improve security, or add features to your database engine. For many database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server, applying patches usually requires some downtime. This is because the database needs to restart or be taken offline temporarily to complete the update process. However, Amazon Web Services offers a special feature for its managed database service called Amazon Aurora. Aurora is built for the cloud and supports a zero downtime patching feature for its MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible engines. This feature is called zero downtime patching, and it tries to keep client connections active during minor version upgrades or patches. When Aurora performs this patching, it restarts the database engine, but it does so in a way that minimizes disruption. Usually, the restart lasts just a few seconds to about a minute, and most client connections stay connected or reconnect automatically. This means your application can keep running smoothly with very little impact. It's important to note that zero downtime patching does not cover all types of updates. Operating system patches, major version upgrades, or global database configurations are not included. Also, this feature is only available in certain AWS regions and for specific Aurora engine versions. So, if you're using Aurora MySQL or Aurora PostgreSQL, you have a good chance of applying patches with minimal or no downtime. For other Amazon RDS engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and SQL Server, the story is different. These engines typically requiring a maintenance window during which the database is temporarily offline. But AWS provides ways to reduce this downtime significantly. For example, you can set up multi-availability zone deployments. This means your database runs onto servers in different locations. During patching, AWS can failover to the standby server, which helps keep your application running with less interruption. Still, some brief downtime is usually unavoidable because the primary server needs to be restarted or upgraded. Another approach is creating read replicas. You can upgrade a read replica first, test it thoroughly, and then promote it to be the primary database. This process shifts most of the upgrade work off your main database, reducing the time your primary is unavailable. For Oracle databases on Amazon RDS, there's an option called DataGuard Standby First Patch Apply. It involves applying patches to a standby database first, then switching over, which can cut down downtime even more. In summary, if you're using Aurora with its zero downtime patching feature, you can often patch your database with almost no service interruption for minor updates. For other engines, you'll need to plan your upgrades carefully using strategies like multi-availability zone deployments or read replicas to minimize downtime. These options show how AWS balances ease of management with keeping your applications available. When comparing AWS with other cloud providers like Microsoft Azure or Google Cloud, similar features exist, but the details and support vary. Choosing the right approach depends on your specific database engine, application needs, and how much downtime you can tolerate. Proper planning and the right tools can help you keep your database secure and up to date without sacrificing your service availability.